Welcome to E&E Transport and Dumpster Rentals, your go-to solution for all your dumpster rental needs. Whether you're tackling a home renovation project, clearing out clutter, or managing construction debris, our reliable dumpster rental services can help. Our wide range of dumpster sizes ensures we have the perfect solution for projects of any scale. At E&E Transport and Dumpster Rentals, we pride ourselves on providing prompt delivery and pickup, ensuring your project stays on track. Our team is committed to providing exceptional service for a seamless experience from start to finish. We are dedicated to customer satisfaction and offer competitive pricing. So why wait? Contact us today at 559-417-7599 or visit our website at www.eetransportllc.com to learn how we can assist you with your dumpster rental needs. So, keep waste from piling up and slow you down. Contact us today to eliminate the hassle of waste management. Remember, E&E Transport and Dumpster Rentals is the name you can trust when it comes to dumpster rentals.